Hey guys, I'd like to take a moment to introduce you to Flizzr.com. Flizzr.com is the world's first social dating network and it's coming soon. In fact, we go live September 29th, 2015 at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Now, Flizzr.com is a vibrant, feature-rich site that combines the fun of a typical dating site with the power and connectivity of a social network, making it the most awesome place online to flirt, get dates, make new friends, socialize, and just have fun. This site is going to change dating forever, and you're going to be telling everyone about it. Now, have you ever gone out to see an awesome movie that really was just amazing? Or have you gone out to a terrific new restaurant, had an amazing meal, and you went out and told everyone about it? You maybe even posted about it on your social networks. And I know how you love to share good things with your friends and family, but don't you kind of hate making these businesses rich off of your referrals and never getting paid for it? Well, we've created an awesome program that's going to change all of that. Introducing the Flizzr.com ShareWorks Business Affiliate Program. Imagine being able to work only 1 hour a day online, simply sharing the pre-created content we provide for you on all your social networks and getting paid. And paid well. This is really going to be a life-changing opportunity for you. Imagine being able to get in to work with Bill Gates when he was launching Microsoft, or being able to sit in the garage with Steve Jobs while he was launching Apple, or hiding out in the dorm room of MIT with the Google guys as they were preparing to launch Google. Would have been cool and profitable, right? Well, here's your chance. Come work with us in the ShareWorks Business Affiliate Program, simply telling the world about Flizzr.com. And unlike most affiliate programs that stop paying you after the launch, with us, you'll make an ever-growing, consistent residual monthly income each and every month from now on by simply just following a cut and paste sharing system. Imagine it, working 1 hour a day sharing content across your social networks, which you're already doing anyway, and get paid a life-changing level of income for doing it. So tell me, if you made this thing work out for you, and you were making all the money you ever needed every month, what would you do? Where would you go? Where would you live? What would you drive? Where would you shop? Tell me, how would financial freedom change your relationships? How would it feel to be able to work part-time from anywhere in the world, just 1 hour a day, and making a nice, full-time income while on vacation, or sitting by the pool somewhere, or just relaxing on the beach? Now, history has already proven to us that when life-changing opportunities arise, there is no time to overthink or procrastinate. You simply must take action. So the time to grasp your financial freedom and get your turn is right now. So what I want you to do is to register below, and we'll get you a seat in our free ShareWorks affiliate webinar to get you more information so you can get started. But make sure you do whatever you have to do to get on that webinar so you can begin a new life of financial freedom. So I will see you on that webinar. I want to thank you for watching, and I want to welcome you to the new world of financial freedom.